Excel beginners, when you count the red apples in this range, you get a total of 5. However, if you use the COUNTIF formula, the outcome shows only 3. Why is that? The discrepancy arises from 2 misspellings in the term red apples. Such mistakes can frequently occur, causing us to spend valuable time fixing them. That's why Excel provides us with data validation to minimize such as mistakes like that. To begin, create a master of product list, which will be used as a reference when entering data. Position the product list outside of the range to be entered, such as in this cell. Next, select all cells in the range to be entered. After that, go to the data bar. Choose Data Validation. Select List. In the source box, select the range of the product list without including the column header. Enter.
12 basic worksheet skills for beginners.
Style. Color. Available on this channel since October 9, 2024. After this setup, the range A2 to A6 can only include items listed in the product list. You may also have noticed that each cell in this product column now has a drop-down list toggle. You can select your data directly from the list, which saves you from typing it out. Alternatively, you can also enter the corresponding data manually. However, if you input data that doesn't match, an error message will appear. This means you can say goodbye to spelling mistakes in your worksheet. The Excel entry form simplifies the challenging task of entering data in horizontal patterns. By transforming the layout to a vertical orientation, makes data entry simpler and more comfortable. Let's activate the Form button first. Click on Customize Quick Access toolbar. Click on More Commands. Choose Commands not in the ribbon. Locate and select Forms. Click on Add. Press OK. The command form is now available in Quick Access bar. Now, just select any single cell in the 4th row of the range, then click on the command form. Let's navigate the form. In addition to using the cursor, you can press the Tab key to move downward. And press the Tab plus Shift keys to move upward. On the left side, you'll find labels that signify column headers. Meanwhile, the data in every row beneath will be displayed within text boxes, next to labels. On the right side, there is row number indicates the current row and the total number of rows filled in. To add a new row, simply click on New. Then, complete each text box. Once you've finished, hit Enter to save your entries into the table. Another example. More examples. If you want to cancel your entries, just click Restore. You can navigate through the rows by using the provided buttons. You can also remove rows using this button. The Criteria button allows you to search for existing data. And finally, press Close button when you have completed the form. Great! Now, it's your turn to explore these 2 powerful tricks. If you are a beginner, just graduated or a newbie, make sure to always check out video playlists of this channel. Thank you for watching.